This is our 1935 Ford Flatback Custom Hot Rod. Door poppers. Opens up the driver door. Swings open. So overall, the car is in really good shape. Beautiful purple paint that really just glimmers out here in the sun. 350 small block, turbo 350 automatic, trick flow aluminum heads, 270 comp cam. Interior's nicely done. It's got vintage air conditioning, nice set of modern gauges, really comfy, well insulated interior overall. You can tell the builder really spent his time and did some top quality work on it. And it does have power windows, which work smoothly on both sides. And there is a shift indicator down here for when you go into different gears. Has some very roomy back seats. You know, for the windows being somewhat small, there actually is a lot of visibility out of all of them, except the rear window. The rear window is really the only one. Everything else you really can see pretty dang well. Manual steering and brakes, but overall the brakes you don't have to really put much pressure on them for it to come to a pretty good stop. Steering when you're parked can be a little hard to turn, but easier than your average, 50, 60, 70s car with manual steering. For whatever reason, it's easier to steer. Definitely gets up and goes pretty good. Exhaust sounds really nice, shifts really nice and smooth there into third. Air conditioning blows cold. So overall, really nice driving car.